Hi, this is the Budget Wise Dad here. I got a product that I want to share with you. This is the latest model of the UVC Retainer or Denture Cleaner. This uses UV lighting to clean. It comes here with the container itself. That's the way the top looks there. It's nice. It's all digital. Here's the power source. It comes with a pair of these tweezers here to get your device that you're cleaning out. And this one actually comes with a 6-pack here of these Retainer Cleaner tablets. Let's show you how it works. Okay, so today I'm going to be cleaning my daughter's retainer here. So the first thing you're going to do is take the retainer and place it directly into the machine. Since I am doing a retainer, I'm going to place one of these tablets in there as well. I'm going to take that, place that inside there. Okay, you just plug that in. You're going to see here at the back that this has a max fill line. Next thing I'm going to do is just click on. You're going to see here, there's actually 4 different modes. There's a sonic mode, a UVC mode, a combination mode of sonic and UVC, and strong mode. This one, obviously, by name just does the sonic, and this one would just do the UV light. I'm going to show you the difference between each one of those. If you wanted to go through both, it can do that. Since I'm using the retainer cleaning tablet, I need to go to the strong mode. This one's going to go a little bit longer. The machine works for 900 seconds. When the machine gets all the way down in this mode to the 300 mark, then the ultrasonic and sterilization mode will kick on for the last 300 seconds. Let's take a look. You can see the ultraviolet light in there. It's got that purple glow to it. All right, we'll let that do its job and check it out at the end. Now, there's a lot of different things that you could actually clean in this besides a retainer. You could do dentures, invisible braces, nail clippers, pen nibs, rings, necklaces, earrings. All right, as we're winding down to the last few seconds here, you're going to see the light shut off and it'll be all done. There you go, it's all complete. Now all we have to do, lift this up. Pull out our retainer. Other piece there. Just gonna give these a little rinse and they're all nice and clean. And there you have it. That retainer is all nice and clean. No more funky smells. It's a lot healthier to have that clean retainer. Just look at it. Nice and clean. So whether it's for your own retainer or your own dentures or for your child, do the healthy thing. Keep it nice and clean. This retainer cleaner here from UVC works very well. And don't forget, you can even clean things like your jewelry in here. Just check the manual first to make sure that it is okay for that particular type of jewelry to go in there, and get it nice and clean with one of these.